Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see if someone unfriended you on Snapchat using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app and go to this chat section by clicking the chat button at the lower part of your screen. Now, I'm just gonna show you on my friend's profile what it is like when you are mutuals on Snapchat. So here, as you can see on her profile, I can see his Snap score, right? So that means we are mutuals on Snapchat. And now I'm just gonna show you a random profile so that you can see what it is look like when you are not mutuals on Snapchat. So now, as you can see, I cannot see his Snap score. Okay, so when your friend's profile is just look like this, it means that he or she unfriended you on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.